Hello and welcome back to Total OS today. Alright, some of you are still having problems hooking up printers to Linux. In today's Linux, at least with some Linux-based systems, it shouldn't be that hard. Now there are about at least 5 ways to hook up your printer to a Linux-based systems. Now, I prefer Ubuntu or Ubuntu-based systems such as what you see here, Ubuntu Mate, of course Ubuntu, Linux Mint, Zorin, and the list goes on. If you are running Ubuntu or Ubuntu-based systems, these operating systems have a built-in printer application that will allow you either to hook up or download the drivers automatically and install the drivers automatically, or you can add the drivers manually by clicking Add. Now, for this to work, you must have the printer hooked up to the computer with the USB printer cable, and you must be connected to the internet for this to work. Now, as long as you have the internet hooked up and the cable for that particular printer, and of course the printer has to be turned on, when you plug that in, when you plug in your printer, your system will recognize it as a USB device. It'll search for drivers, search the web for drivers. It will install. Now you may have to reboot the system for the printer to work properly. It should install automatically if you are running Ubuntu or Ubuntu-based. Now this may be the same for Arch-based or systems like Manjaro and other systems out there. I don't know. Those of you who run systems other than Arch, other than Ubuntu, rather, please let me know if that works also. So what if running this the automatic way does not work? Alright, so that means then we'll have to go to the way to step number 2, and that is to add a printer. Now I won't be adding a printer I already have to my Ubuntu Mate. However, I tested this in Zorin, and let's see if I got the video here. Yeah, it's right here, so let's take a look at this. So this was in Zorin. Same thing here. I basically clicked on the printer application software and I clicked Add. Now again, I am connected to the web. My Canon printer is already connected via USB cable. If you look at the top left, I have a couple choices. So now you may have to try both. In this situation, I just went with the first one, the Canon MX 360, and I am connected via USB. Click forward there at the bottom right. Now this will take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Searching for drivers. Now use this if the automatic way does not work. So it's searching for drivers, and I click forward. Once it's done, as you can see, it has the name of the printer. You can change the name if you want to. I don't. I just leave it the way it is. Click Apply. You should print a test page. I did not because this particular printer is, well, it's in storage with no ink. But there it is, Canon MX 360 series. Now you can go into the properties, into the settings, and change this. Normally I don't touch anything here. Once I run a test sheet and it prints, I leave it the way it is. So yeah, once it's set up, I don't change anything else. And that's how you would install a printer manually. Okay, so let's say this does not work. You can try going to the vendor's website, and I can tell you that HP is probably the best when it comes to printers for Linux. My second choice would probably be Epson. So if you have an HP, or if you are in the market for an HP, then you're good to go, or what's the saying go? Good as gold, right? So you should be set to go. So that would be step number 3. If that doesn't work, then we'll go to step number 4. You can try a piece of software. This is a trialware. It's called Turbo Print. I've tested this in the past years ago. Multiple Linux distributions, different printers. This works flawlessly. There is a 30-day trial, as you see here, and this is great. So this should work for just about any printer out there. Again, this is Turbo Print. I will have a link for this below in the show notes. Full disclaimer, I am not being sponsored by Turbo Print, just to let you know, full disclaimer there. I just like the way the software works. Very, very newbie easy. if you wanted to use Turbo Print. Finally, step number 5, the last way. I don't generally recommend this. You can try something called cups. And as you see here, I think this was developed by Apple, if I am not mistaken, for printing. This is not generally something I would recommend for newbies or for beginners. You're welcome to try it out. I mean, you won't break anything if you want to try this way. And this also, I'll also have a link for this below in the show notes. So if you're lucky, the automatic way will work for you. If not, then you're going to have to get your hands just a little bit dirty, as it were. But hopefully, if you're running Ubuntu or Ubuntu-based systems, printing in Linux should be very, very easy. I hope this works out. That's it. If I missed anything, please let me know in the comments below. And if you have any other tips, I'll be happy to share them. Thank you for watching, guys, and I will catch you on the next one. Ciao.